Hello and welcome to AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can explore new musics of different languages, different genres, and different types on Suno AI. So let's go ahead and start the video. Open any type of browser you have on your PC and go to suno.com. Sign into your account and you will see this type of interface. On the left hand side of your screen, there is something called Explore. Go ahead and click on Explore and you can see a lot of American music, classic rock music, funk jazz music, and a lot of genres over here. So this might be a totally new thing for you, but Suno AI has a lot of music which is AI generated as well. So you can just go ahead and click on it and listen to the music. So this is how easy it is to explore music. And if you want to explore the music randomly, you can click on this puzzle or this cube icon and a new music will be created or it will be played with a single touch. So, as you can see, exploring new styles of music with Suno is quite easy. I hope you do this and listen to new music every day. I hope this video about how you can explore new music on Suno AI was helpful. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.